Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create an Instagram post using as well as Instagram reel using Canva. So let's get started. So first of all, go to search bar and type Chrome. Open Chrome, select your profile, maximize this. Now in the search box, type canva.com, or you can open by searching on Google. After opening the website, just make sure to log in with your Gmail account. As you can see, I have already logged in. After logging in, just go to option create design. Then here you have to search for reel, REEL. Click on Instagram reel. Now the best thing about Canva is it offers you hundred templates which you can use for free for your Instagram reel. For now, I want to make a reel for my pet, so I will search pet, and you can see the different type of unique Instagram reel suggestions which I got. I like it, and I will show you how is this video reel. It will look like this. You can make changes into this. You can change the photo by clicking on down delete option, and you can upload your own pet picture here. After making all the changes like changing the text as well as changing the text color and image effects, and after modifying all your Instagram reel, for download this, go to share option, and you can see this option download button, and make sure to adjust the maximum size of quality, then click on download and your Instagram reel will be downloaded. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Take care.